In this demonstration, we will show you how to observe the historical impact of a link by analyzing the relationship between work zones, crashes, and traffic speed. To begin, click the Observe Historical Impact button on the right side. Similar to the other methods, the user should draw a polygon on the map to isolate the area of interest. Please keep in mind the larger the area that is highlighted, the longer it will take for the software to gather the needed information, so it is wise to limit the polygon to only what we need. Now, click on the link we want to look more closely at. As you hover over it, you will see information specific to that link on that date and time. The software will access multiple databases to query the relevant TMC data, nearby work zones, and documented incidents. These features can be hidden. The user can modify the search radius, as well as the date and time of interest.